Hi everyone! I'm Peppa. Watch me dance.
Today, we are going to draw a very cute Peppa Pig together. Our first panel is empty and bright, like a clean white page waiting for a happy friend. Take a deep breath, hold your pencil gently, and get ready to build this cute pig character one small step at a time. Now we begin with one big rounded head shape. Draw a smooth curve that looks like a soft balloon, then let the front stretch out a little for the snout area. Do not rush. This first shape is the home for the face. Next, let us add 2 cheerful eyes near the top of the head. Draw 2 round eyes, then place tiny dark pupils inside them. Now our little character can look around and say hello to the drawing world. Now draw the round snout at the front of the face. Add 2 small nostrils inside it, like 2 tiny dots. The character is starting to look more playful, with a sweet piggy nose and curious eyes. It is time to add the ears. Draw 2 rounded ears standing up on top of the head. Keep them soft and simple, like little loops. Our character can now hear all the fun sounds in our story. Look carefully at the head and snout. This panel keeps the face clear and balanced. We are checking the eyes, nose, ears, and head shape, making sure everything feels friendly, round, and easy to recognize. Now add a round cheek and a big happy smile. The cheek is a circle on the side of the face, and the smile is a wide, curved shape. Suddenly, our character feels joyful and ready to play. Let us clean up the face details. Keep the cheek round, the smile wide, and the snout neat. The head is almost complete now, and our little pig friend looks bright, silly, and very happy. In this panel, the full head is nicely finished. Notice the ears, eyes, snout, cheek, and smile all working together. Before we draw the body, let us enjoy this cute face for a moment. Now we add the body. Draw a simple dress shape below the head, wide at the bottom and narrower at the top. Then add 2 small arms reaching outward, as if our character is waving to a friend. Next, add a curly tail on one side of the body. Make it loop around like a tiny spiral. This little tail gives the character extra personality, like a playful ribbon bouncing behind them. Now draw 2 simple legs under the dress, with small dark feet at the bottom. Keep the legs straight and the feet simple. Our character can finally stand tall inside the panel. Let us review the complete outline. The head, ears, face, arms, dress, tail, legs, and feet are all here. Keep the lines clean and bold, like a coloring book page made just for kids. This panel gives us another chance to make the line art neat. Smooth the body, check the arms, and make sure the feet are even. The character should look centered, friendly, and ready for color. Here is the finished black and white drawing. Everything is complete before coloring begins. We can see the happy face, the round cheek, the curly tail, the dress, and the tiny feet all ready for the final step. Now comes the magic color panel. Fill the character with soft pink, color the dress bright red, keep the outlines black, and make the face happy and clear. Our cheerful pig friend is finished and ready to smile with us.
Hi everyone, I'm Peppa. Watch me dance. Hi everyone, I'm Peppa. Watch me dance.
You did an incredible job following the story step by step. If you want more magical drawing adventures, cute characters, coloring fun, and surprise animations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Keep drawing, keep smiling, keep imagining. And I'll see you in our next magical art adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!
Hi everyone, I'm Peppa. Watch me dance.